welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. If you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you watch constantly checking on my channel to see when I post, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And then once you click the subscribe button, a little bell pops up next to it. Go ahead and click that too, because it notifies you every single time that I post, and you never want to miss my videos, because my videos is always lit. Okay, so today is going to be one of my most highly requested videos. It's going to be a skincare routine. Y'all want to know how I get this smooth, melanicious skin. Yeah, I just want to like point out my bun. Y'all remember when I did my like high bun tutorial on short natural hair back in June? Can y'all just see how big my bun has gotten now? I can actually wear this out in public and not be embarrassed. Okay, like it has gotten so big, and this is actually probably going to be my go-to style now that I can actually look good in it. Yeah, I'm not taking these sunglasses off because your girl lost a little bit of her edges. Her edges is thinning a little bit, so I don't want y'all to see that. So these glasses, that's why they on. But trust me, we in the process of growing them back. Okay, so don't come for me. Don't throw shade at me. They coming back, boo. They ain't even all the way gone. Like, I still got them. It's just thinner than they used to be, and I'm not used to it. Yeah, let's stop getting off topic and get into this video. I start off with putting hot water on my face and on my spin brush to open up my pores. As you can see, my spin brush is by Silken. I got this at a Kohl's during Black Friday. And I go in with my Oxy Acne Medicated Face Wash. I got this from either CVS or Walgreens. And I put a tad amount on my spin brush and I click it twice so it can get to the fastest speed. And then I just basically scrub my face. For a long time, I like to get it real soapy, you know, make sure I get all them toxins out. So after my face is all clean and soapy, I go in with hot water again because I don't want my pores to close, to wash off my product. And then I go in with a towel and I pat dry. My face wash that I use specifically says to pat dry, so that's what I do because, you know, I don't want to ruin my skin. I don't know what it does if I don't pat dry, but I'm not trying to find out. So I just pat dry. And then after that, I go in with my homemade toner. It's basically 3/4 of Witch Hazel. I have the picture on the screen because I forgot to show. And then the 1/4 is of apple cider vinegar, with both helps reduce acne scars, which is basically my main problem. I don't really have pimples. I just have a whole bunch of acne scars. So those lines is really what I go by. And then I come in with these cotton rounds that I got from $1 at Dollar Tree. You know what I'm saying? Again, baddie on a budget. And then I recently just started spritzing it on my face a couple of times. And then I spritz it on the cotton round twice. And then wrap that all over my face. Focusing on the parts where I have the most acne scars. Then I go in with this Solvate, which is for dry skin. I just recently started putting it all over my face. I used to just put it on the dry spot, but I got this from, I think, a Bell's Outlet. But yeah, it's a Gartner's Therapy. And it was only $3.99, girl. Like, can't beat that. This is just the consistency of it. I'm just putting it in a couple of spots over my face. You don't need a lot with this product. A little does go a long way. So, and then I just rub it all over my face like it's lotion. And last but not least, I just go with the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, which, as you can see, I need to stock up on. But this is like works wonders with my face. I think this is what gives me my glow, my shine. So yeah, I put it all over my face, including my neck. Can't forget that neck, girl. I recently just learned when applying product to your neck, you don't want to go downwards because that creates wrinkles. So this is how I apply it, going in an upwards motion. That's it for my skin routine. It's really quick and simple. I don't use too many products. I stopped doing all that because I feel like that's what made my skin break out. Putting so many different products that have so many different chemicals and medicines in there just made my face just explode with pimples. So you really do, as you can see, you really don't need that many products. And these things really are cheap and affordable products. Like, they are really inexpensive, but these are drugstore products. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. This is the same for my night and morning routine, except for at night I do my skincare routine in the shower. Like, I do my face wash in the shower, so I don't use my spin brush. I just use my fingertips. So that's basically it. The skin routine is still the same. It's just different tools I use. But make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like I said in the beginning. And if you stay to the end, you can see the before and after pictures and videos of my skin before, like how horrific it was, how many pimples I had. I still do have like a little bit of dark marks, but for the most part, I'm pleased with what my skin is doing right now. So yeah, comment down below your skincare routine. Maybe you can help out. Tell me if you did this and if it worked out for you. So yeah, that's it. Please stay tuned for my next video, which is going to my braces routine, like how I clean my braces. And then after that, it's going to be my spa night routine, or like my body care routine. So like a lot of routines coming. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Peace out.